This guide will help you troubleshoot and calibrate the AFC25 matchmaking error 2026. Follow these steps to resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or devices to confirm that the issue is not with your network. Step 2. Restart your device. Power off your gaming console or PC and wait for a few moments before turning it back on. This can help clear temporary glitches that may be causing the matchmaking error. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that your AFC25 game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in the game settings or your gaming platform store and install them if necessary. Step 4. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by turning off the device and plugging it for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. For PC, you can clear the cache through the game settings or by deleting temporary files related to the game. Step 5. Contact EA support. If the error persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to EA support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken to help them diagnose the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and get back to enjoying your game.